Hey everyone, welcome to Ala1061. Today we have the brand new Volkswagen Arteon R Line with us. This is a special car. It has the R Line exterior and the R Line interior. Awesome car. This is a brand new model of Volkswagen. It is a 4-door coupe, looks amazing, drives good, and it has a lot of technology on board. Thanks for watching. Beautiful R Line package, R Line emblem. The LED headlights with LED daytime running light. Very cool design. The R Line front bumper is more aggressive and lower. Looks beautiful. R Line emblem at the side, R Line rims, 18-inch, keyless entry, keyless start. It has a panoramic sunroof, rear view camera, dynamic turn signals at the back. The rear view camera pops out of the emblem, the Volkswagen emblem. I really like the Arteon badging on the middle. It has also the spoiler and the chrome tipped exhausts. They are always clean. Looks good, this car. Let's take a look at the interior of this car. When you touch it, the car locks. It has keyless entry and keyless start. When you touch it again, the car unlocks. It is a 4-door coupe, frameless doors. Lovely interior, special for the R Line. These seats are very, very comfortable. They have the massage function. Works great. Folding mirrors. You can also buy it with the Dyna audio sound system, active info display, touchscreen navigation system, adjustable armrest in length and height, USB aux input, Wi-Fi connection is also on this car. You have 2 cup holders in this area. It has the power outlet. This is for your key, electronic handbrake, auto hold. With this, the car doesn't roll back and you can remove the brake pedal. It's automatic. Electronic handbrake, as I said. Push button ignition. You have the different modes. You can turn off the start stop. You can also buy it with the wireless charging. Another USB input. You have here the climate control adjustments with heated seats, 3 settings. Fully automatic dual zone. This car has a 3-zone climate control. The navigation system. Main menu. Let's go directly to the languages available. These are the languages available for this navigation system. It has the media system. It supports CarPlay and Android. Mirror link, Android Auto, vehicle settings, fuel economy, phone settings, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation. You have also the voice activation. You have the parking sensors with the rear view camera. Looks awesome. I really like the clock. You have the shift pedals behind the steering wheel. Lovely active info display. There's also the adaptive cruise control. Views. You can adjust the middle part just like that. Audio, phone, vehicle status, driving data, assist systems, lane assist, front assist, back. Here are the adaptive cruise control settings, volume adjustments, and you can answer the phone. It has of course the rain sensor and the light sensor, fully automatic. Another storage area down here. Automatic folding mirrors with the light underneath it. Huge panoramic sunroof. This is one of my favorite features. It has also the SOS button and the sunglass compartment. LED lights in the interior is also really cool. Arkadaşlar içine bir göz atalım. Anahtarsız giriş 4 kapıda da var. 4 kapıdan kilitleyebilirsiniz veya açabilirsiniz. Çerçevesiz kapılar. Burada eşya gözümüz var. Bu cam nereye kadar iniyor onu merak ettim. Buraya kadar iniyor. Burada yarı deri yarı alcantara koltuklar ve diz mesafesine bakar mısınız? Çok müthiş. And this is the interior of the Volkswagen Arteon R Line. Looks lovely. Massage seats, leg extensions, sport steering wheel. This is the space left. I'm 1.83 m. Plenty of space. Really spacious. My head is not touching the roof. You have the LED lights. Cup holders. Looks lovely. You have also the 3-zone climate control and the heated seats in the back. Very useful feature. Let's check out the trunk space. Fully automatic trunk. Quite good in my eyes. Folding seats in the back. You have the special floor mat. Let's check out underneath this. You can also buy it with a spare tire. There are different packages available for the Arteon: Elegance, Elegance Business, and the Business R Line. That's this one. It's a sport package. You get different bumpers, more aggressive front bumper, rear bumper with diffuser and exhausts, side skirts, different rims, and this one has the R Line steering wheel and the R Line interior. You get R Line seats with leg extensions. Personally, I'm a fan of this Arteon, especially with this R Line package. You can buy it with a lot of safety systems, like blind spot assist, like automatic parking, like head-up display, like this active info display. It has a touchscreen navigation system. It is awesome. This Volkswagen is very, very attractive. Definitely on my list. What I also want to say, it has number of features just like Audi models. Like this display, it's just like the Audi Virtual Cockpit, which is very nice. You can also change the inside of the instrument cluster with different features, and you have the flowing turn signals at the back, just like the Audi dynamic turn signals, which is also great. The engines available for the Arteon are the 280 horsepower petrol engine with 4-motion all-wheel drive, and you can go for the diesel with 150 horsepower, or you can go for the bi-turbo diesel with 240 horsepower. That's also a 2-liter TDI. That one is really fast, 0 to 62 in 6 seconds. It has 4-motion all-wheel drive. Very, very good system. And this car has also the gesture control. When you buy it with the Discover Pro system, you can use the gesture control on the screen. Very useful feature, just like Audi models. It has also a lovely interior. Quality items are used. The upper part of the dash is soft plastic. It's made out of soft plastic. Also the lower parts are soft plastic. Very nice done by Volkswagen. On the highway, this car is very good isolated. No wind noise, no engine noise, almost nothing at speeds of 100 km per hour and 120 km per hour. The DSG transmission is a dual clutch system and it works great. You don't feel the gear changes. The kick down works good. You have also the sport mode. In sport mode the car is much quicker, which is useful when you need more response of the engine. But I like the comfort mode. Then you can easily waft about in this car. Very comfortable. It has good amount of ground clearance, which is handy in the city, in my opinion. The visibility is also good. No problems with parking. You can also go for the automatic park system. And what I also like, this car uses the GPS for the corner illumination, which is also a first, I think. Very nice feature. Lovely car. Another thing what I like about this Arteon, it has the traffic sign recognition, so you know exactly which speed is allowed in this area. It also puts a mark on that area of the speedometer. What I also like about this Arteon, it has a huge panoramic sunroof. You can tilt it or slide it backwards. It's just perfect. You have the automatic folding mirrors when you close the car. You can buy it with massage seats, and these R Line seats are very comfortable. I really like the R logo in the seats and the R Line steering wheel. It makes it a special car. What I like about this Volkswagen Arteon is that you can buy this car for around 50,000 euros, 55,000 euros, and you can buy it with a lot of safety features and luxury features. When you go to other car companies, they are much more expensive. With this, Volkswagen can buy all these systems for a better price. In my eyes, when you buy it full option, it's a great car. I think this car will sell a lot. In Belgium, this car costs 48,000 euros. In the Netherlands, about 56,000 euros, I think. I really am a fan of the R Line package. A nice car by Volkswagen. I hope they will sell a lot of this car. And what I also want to say is it is a wider car than the Volkswagen Passat. A lot of room, a lot of headroom, very comfortable long distance cruiser. The fuel economy is good.